Little Panda's town is waiting for your protection. Let's start today's patrol. Calm down, Miss Bear. What's the issue here?
The parking lot is so disorganized. I can't drive my car out.
Don't worry, I'll fix it. Woohoo! All the cars were driven out. Tap to equip the magical item. Please enter the correct number to lift the barrier. Oh no, a bad guy just hid in the supermarket. Can you help me find the criminal? Do you know what the bad guy looks like? He was wearing a green vest, brown pants, and a blue scarf around his neck. Okay, first, let's piece the bad guy's portrait together. Awesome! Thank you! You're welcome! Quoquo, what happened? I got separated from my dad in the park. Quoquo, don't worry. Let's find your dad together. You found Wowo's dad! You're awesome!